Senior year, the time where students are reaching the end of their high school life and preparing to embark into the world of college. With the simple click of the submit button at the bottom of online school applications, the thought and pressures of getting accepted or denied begins. Many students have been anticipating their acceptance letters as they wait to see if they will get into their dream school or not.
I applied to 4 colleges: USF, UCF, FSU, and UF.
Feeling of completion and the sense of, I did it, I'm going to college, fills anyone with joy of accomplishment, knowing that they have secured the next step in their lives.
Well, I was very excited for him. In fact, I think I was more excited for him than he was. I was the one every day telling him, go online, check the websites, see if you got in yet, see if you got in. And he was like, and he just waited. But I was very excited for him, very proud.
For many, it's hard to imagine that only 4 years ago, they walked through these doors as freshmen.
I'm Gabriela Sanchez signing out for NBC News.